Oh my God. If I were alone on a desert island and I could only have one plant, I don't know, you know how I feel about succulents, but I might have to say a citrus just for the blossoms. Nothing smells better. Oh my girl! Yay, Diane! Shooting a succulent tip of the day video. So congratulations, get in here, girl. This is my girl Diane. She has been here at the Village Nurseries for how long?
6 years.
6 years. Is that all?
Yeah.
God, I feel like it's been longer.
I know it.
But anywho,
12 to 18, yeah.
6 years.
Right.
So look at me. Look, I am not a one-trick pony.
Holy cow.
We have an installation we're doing in Scripps Ranch right now, and I have a client that's got a lot of fruit trees in the ground, and I'm doing succulents, but she also wants perennials.
Oh, good.
So I've got a whole bunch of fun, tough salvias and sages and Kunthias and a Meyer lemon and just all kinds of fun stuff.
Okay. So is it okay if I start
Please.
scanning?
Yeah. Oh gosh, yes. Please.
Okay.
Now remember to watch your shine.
Oh, I know.
I'm at Waterwise Botanicals now. This is a day for shopping. How much do I love my job? I get paid to shop. Woohoo! So we got our perennials at the Village Nurseries, and now we are pulling in some really tough succulents. I'm going to do something pretty low profile in the front yard. The front yard's kind of an add-on, kind of throwing it in, so I have to get really creative with plants. So I have ALOE GRENADENSIS, or popcorn aloe. These at Waterwise are huge, 5 gallons, and they're like this, so bang for buck, and they grow quickly. I also have bush aloe, ALOE arborescens. That's another one that will grow into a stand quite quickly. And you know me and my CRASSULA Argentea Sunset Jade, gotta have it. So that's where I'm at right now, and no doubt we'll fill up the back of Big Daddy before I'm done. So we're winding it up here at Waterwise Botanicals. I'm gonna go ahead and take my plants home with me, then come back out to the job site tomorrow and do the staging. We'll get the sinking done, and by end of business tomorrow, we should be started on the top dressing rockworth. So stay tuned. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day and day 4, right? Is it? What day is this? Is this day 5? What is today? Today's Monday, the 22nd. Either day 4 or day 5 in Scripps Ranch with your succulent tip of the day.